To reduce the likelihood of unauthorized access to your data, we offer 4 effective solutions. For remote wipe on Android. With these techniques, you can easily reset your device to its factory settings, ensuring all personal information is removed, even when it is stolen. Part 1. Reasons for performing a remote wipe on Android. Loss or theft. To protect sensitive data if the device is lost or stolen. Device recycling or sale. Safeguarding privacy before disposing of the device. Corporate compliance. Adhering to security policies for work-related usage. Part 2. Execute remote wipe on Android using Google Find My Device. Using Google Find My Device to erase data on your stolen Android phone will perform a factory reset, deleting all data, including pictures in the gallery not backed up to Google Photos. Part 3. Remotely erase Android with recovery mode. If your Android phone is accessible but fails to turn on or you're unable to use the touchscreen, you can just get it into Android recovery mode, through which you have the option to wipe it out directly. Part 4. Erase Android phone remotely via SmartThings Find Samsung only. SmartThings Find, previously known as Find My Mobile, allows Samsung users to remotely wipe their Samsung phones, enhancing security by protecting sensitive data from unauthorized access. Part 5. Wipe Android phone remotely from a computer. Simple and secure. The strategy we will outline involves completely and irreversibly deleting all data on your device, making it impossible to recover. Subsequently, let's begin. Using MobiKin Eraser for Android as a trusted solution. Install software, connect phone via USB, enable USB debugging, click Erase, choose security level, type Delete to confirm. Click Erase to delete all data. Wait for completion. Perform a factory reset following on-screen instructions. Click Continue for irreversible, permanent data erasure.